Hey traders, Jason with Day Trading Fearless. In this video, I'm going to go over a custom grid layout for Thinkorswim. I will show you what's on it, how to trade it, and I will also leave a link, toss link down below in the description, all for free. The only thing I ask is that you guys like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also comment and let me know if you guys enjoy these type of videos, right? But with that being said, I'm going to go over what everything is here on this. So let's dive right into it. So to be able to use this, I will leave the share link in the description. Just upload it into your Thinkorswim. You will want to be on the charts tab, then the flex grid. Okay, this is part of the flex grid. And what this is a 1 minute chart, okay, with a fast stochastic, just the 3 showing, okay. The yellow line is the 200 EMA, okay. And then I also have like the 50% open first hour high low with Fibonacci's in there. And then this purple line and this red line, if we zoom in, are anchored VWAPs. I like them. Price reacts very well to them when they line up with a couple of other things. You could see as we start to go lower, right? Price will usually reverse from this level or bounce from it. And then down here, a few weeks ago, I made a video on this. It's a custom MACD, kind of like a 2-line where you could start to see as it crosses, right? And we go from red to green, you could see kind of the expansion, or the 2 lines are apart. That usually means an uptrend, right? And then when we cross and the red is on top, you could usually say, hey, we're in a downtrend. And what I look for are potential divergences, right? We have a divergence here, but we also have one right here, right? So you could play that. Sometimes they're not always matching up with the fast stochastics, but sometimes they do. So, and real quick, if you want to help sponsor my channel and get some education at the same time, make sure you check out my coaching and mentoring service. I've been day trading the S&P Emini futures, stocks, and options for the past 21 years. You can learn any of my trading strategies if you want to learn how to trade stocks or options, or just trading psychology. I charge $40 an hour, or I have a special 3 hours for only $100. So make sure you check out my website, daytradingfearless.com, for more information, or send me an email, jason@daytradingfearless.com. But let's get right back to the show. Okay, so now this chart over here is the same 1 minute chart, right? Just no anchored VWAP on this, right? But I actually added just a histogram MACD. The reason I do this is because I'm looking for divergences at highs or the lows, right? So, and what I look for is I look for a double divergence, something like this, right? Look at this. We have the divergence here, right? And we also have a divergence here on both charts, right? So 2 things are lining up, and when I see a trade like that, I'll probably look to short. Sometimes I'll look for the kickback. Sometimes I'll just kind of take the short there and look to write it down. And a lot of times you could come over here and look at that same kind of thing. Look for that same pattern over here, and this is actually the same divergence, and we could see as we're moving up, there's really no divergence, but look at how close we are up here, right? But it's way lagging down here. So that's what I look for. It's just 2 different MACDs instead of having all 3 on one chart. I like it over here. I could kind of zoom out, see the bigger picture of what's going on here. Now, down here is my famous 3-minute market profile, which is for today only. So it's regular trading hours. The purple line is the VWAP. This cayenne color line is the 50%, and these are the 38, 50, 61% for the day, right? Value area high, low, and then my point of control. This lets me know what's going on under the hood. Like if you've watched my previous videos, I call it the Holy Grail for me. I love this chart. And then down here, I have our 1 minute. And I've done a video on this too. It's a 1 minute custom made market profile. So every one of these profiles is 60 minutes, right? This is an hour's worth of trading, an hour here. And look at how well price reacts, right? As we kind of close here, we start the new time here. Well, these are naked VPOCs and also value area lows. And look at this, as price falls, comes directly down and bounces off, and the buyers step in, right? It happens over and over and over. So we see it right here, right? Price kind of, here's our point of control, rallies on the new candle, pulls back, comes right here and bounces. So really amazing chart layout that I love. And then down here, okay, I have my VIX. It's a 15-minute with RSI. I look for divergence. I look for certain things down here on this chart, okay, for the VIX, kind of what's happening with the volatility and things like that. And then I also have my AD lines, advanced decline lines, right? Now, I could just look right here. We're positive on this day that I'm filming this. 1,369. I know, okay, hey, that's pretty good. The problem is we're up 95 S&P points. We should be at like 2,000, okay, 2,100. Also with a massive reversal day, right? Here, the VIX, think about this, right? The VIX is at 32. We were at a high of like 33. So as we rallied, the VIX really did not get crushed. So it's interesting, but these are just quick little cheat sheets for me that I could just glance at. I'll watch them throughout the day. I always kind of have my mind trained to look at these levels during the days and all that. So hopefully you guys like this layout. Like I said, there's a link down below. It's a free layout. Just do me a favor, comment, like, and subscribe to the video and the channel. And as always, thank you for watching, and we'll talk to you soon.